Welcome back, my dear children. Today we are going to learn fill in the boxes. First question is 27 plus 35 is equal to dash. So what we have to find out the sum of these numbers 27 plus 35, otherwise the answer of 27 and 35. So we can write here 27 plus 35. Let us add the numbers. First we have to add the numbers in ones column, that is 7 plus 1. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 is 1, 10 and 2 ones. So 2 we have written here and 1 should be written over here. 1 is carried over to the tens place. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. You got the answer 62. So 27 plus 35 will give you 62. We can write the answer 62 here. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. 35 plus dash is equal to 78. Next question is 35 plus dash is equal to 78. Here see, the dash is coming before this equal to symbol. Okay. If the dash comes before this equal to symbol, always you have to do subtraction. Okay. In the first question, see, the dash is after this equal to symbol. Is it? So in such cases, what is asked to do here? Whether it is plus or minus, whatever is given in the question, that you have to do. But in this case, when the dash come before the equal to symbol, in such cases we have to do subtraction. You know, there is no need of looking of this symbol over here. In this case we have to do subtraction. If dash come before this equal to symbol, you have to do subtraction. Then you have to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Okay. So which is the bigger number over here? Here there are two numbers, 78 and 35. Which is the bigger number here? The bigger number is 78. So you have to write 78 here and 35 below it, because you cannot subtract smaller from bigger number. Always small you have to subtract. We can subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Okay. So you have to write here 78 minus 35. Let's do the subtraction. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So we got the answer 43. So 35 plus dash is equal to 78. 35 plus 43 is equal to 78. Okay. You got the answer. So when 43 is added to 35, you will get 78. Let us move on to the next question. Next question is same as the above. See, 23 plus dash is equal to 69. Here also dash is before this equal to symbol. So in such cases, what we have to do? In such cases, we have to do the subtraction. So let us do the subtraction over here. 69, write 69 minus 23. Okay. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So what is the answer? We got the answer as 46. Answer is 46. So when we add 46 with 23, you will get the answer 69. Now let us move on to the next question. Next question is 95 minus 28. Here the question is directly given and the dash is after this equal to symbol. If the dash is after this equal to symbol, we have to do what is given in the question. So we can do 95 minus 28. So 5 minus 8. First we have to subtract the number in ones column. Ones column 5 minus 8. Is 5 minus 8 possible? It is not possible because 5 is less than 8. So what we have to do in such cases? We have to borrow from the tens place. We have to borrow one from the tens place. Otherwise we have to regroup. So we can do this regrouping. So cut this 5. When we borrow ones from the tens place, what it will be? It will be 15 over here, and cut this 9, and it will be, the 9 will become what it will become? 9 will become 8. Okay. Now we can do the subtraction. So 15 minus 8. How much is 15 minus 8? 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 and 8 minus 2 you will get 6. So what is the answer? The answer is 67. So 95 minus 28 you will get the answer 67. 7. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. 84 minus dash is equal to 56. Here also see, the dash is coming before this equal to symbol. When dash comes before the equal to symbol, what you have to do? You have to do subtraction. You don't need of look this plus or minus, whether it is plus or minus, you have to do the subtraction if the dash come before this equal to symbol. So which is the bigger number here? The bigger number is 84 and the smaller number is 56. So let us do the subtraction. 84 minus 56. Okay, now start from the ones place. 4 minus 6. Is 4 minus 6 possible? No, 4 minus 6 is not possible because 4 is less than 6. So what we have to do? We have to do regrouping. What we have to do? We have to do the regrouping. So this 4, cut this 4 and borrow 1 from the tens place and it will become 14. And cut this 8. What we have to do? Cut this 8 and what here? It will become, this 8 will become 7. Yes, we have done the regrouping or done borrowing. Now you can do the subtraction. Okay, now 14 minus 6. How much is 14 minus 6? 14 minus 6 is 8 and 7 minus 5 will give you 2. Okay, so what is the answer? We got the answer 84 minus 28. 84 minus 28 is equal to 56. So we got the answer in the blank. Now let us move on to the next question. Dash plus 11 is equal to 58. Dash plus 11 is equal to 58. Here also this dash is before this equal to symbol. So when the dash come before the equal to symbol, whether here or here, what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. So which is the bigger number over here, 48 or 11? 48 is the bigger number. So write 48 minus 11. Okay, now we can do the subtraction. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So what is the answer? We got the answer 37. We can write the answer 37 here. Okay, so 37 plus 11 is equal to 48. Now moving on to the next question. 75 minus dash is equal to 49. Here also dash is before this equal to symbol. So what we have to do? As usual, we have to do the subtraction. Now write 75 minus 49. Here also see 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9 is possible? Not possible. So what we have to do? We have to do borrowing. So cut this right here 15 and here cut this 7. Now right here what it will become? 7 will become 6. Now we can do the subtraction. 15 minus 9. How much is 15 minus 9? 15 minus 9 is 6 and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So 75, what is the answer? Here in the blank we got the answer 75 minus 26 is equal to 49. We got the answer. Now next question is 28 plus 24 is equal to dash. Here dash is after the equal to symbol. So what we have to do? We have to do as it is given in the question. So we can write the question over here 28 plus 24. Now 8 plus 4 is 12. So write 2 here. Here what it will become? 1 should be carried over to the 1 tens place. Okay, 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we got the answer 52. So 28 plus 24 is equal to, that is the answer. Answer is 52. Understood? I hope you have all understood this. Let's wind up the session for today. Thank you.